Today we are going to make lotus root salad, and when you buy lotus root from the supermarket, it looks like this.
Not like this. Okay.
Take or cut a piece out. It was washed, and now peel the skin off with the sharp peeler, we call it. The ends off, and now it looks like this. Wash it again and cut it. After lengthwise cutting, cut it on the transverse side or the shorter side. 1 teaspoon of salt into the water and add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of vinegar into water and place the cut lotus root in that. Slice the lotus root this way. It is put inside a mix of vinegar and salt in water to avoid it becoming black in color. These are the other ingredients which will go into the salad. Start from spring leaves, a piece of carrot, half of yellow or colored bell pepper, coriander leaves, red bell pepper, about a half. Add a bit of flour into the mix of
You know why?
Lotus
Because
roots.
inside the holes, there are some dirty things. Use this flat. You can wash the cauliflower.
When you wash
Yeah.
lotus root in this mixture, the flour makes it cleaner by absorbing the dirt from the root. Was washed 4 to 5 times thoroughly in water so that all the dirt and the particles of small sand goes out. Put a saucepan with little water on the stove. Add a bit of salt and about a tablespoon of vinegar into that, and boil the lotus cut or sliced lotus root in that. Add thoroughly washed lotus roots in the boiling water. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes in the boiling water. Slice the carrot as shown and put in the boiling water to make it softer. After boiling, the roots are very fresh and clean. Chop about 5 pieces of garlic. Add chopped garlic into a bowl and add light soy sauce about 2 teaspoons and
Vinegar.
add vinegar about 1.5 tablespoons.
Sesame oil.
Add sesame oil about 1.5 teaspoons. Add chili paste about 1.5 teaspoons. Cut yellow bell pepper into pieces. Similarly, cut red bell pepper Cut spring onions as shown. Cut coriander leaves, a pinch of salt into the bowl of garlic, sliced carrot into the boiling water to make it softer. Now the lotus root had been boiling for about 15 minutes and seems it has been softer now. The water of the boiled lotus roots. That's the prepared ingredients: boiled carrots, boiled lotus roots, coriander leaves, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and spring onions. And that's the sauce mix prepared already. Now add the mixed garlic mixture into the salad bowl and mix it. And it's a cold dish, traditionally eaten by Chinese, but now all over the world. It's eaten variants of it. It's nutritious, 100% organic, and simple to prepare. Can be taken as a side dish for lunch or for dinner. Completely vegetable dish. That's the completed dish. Lotus root salad.